With the husband. Yung shoes na is not for hiking.
You stay inside most of the time, but you don't seem to mind. Why don't you come outside and see what it's like? I think you'll find that the weather is nice. You go get a drink, it's not as bad as you think. You puke in the sink, but wake up around 9, then you do it again and again and again and again.
Here at Bangkaban Island Resort and Restaurant, and it's been one crazy ride from Kawasan Falls going here. I was just very thankful and grateful that my brother drives so much care. He drives faster, he doesn't drive like someone's dead. So we're currently here at Oslob and we're gonna stay here for one night, and tomorrow we're gonna do, I don't have
Still, my darling, all is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may
yeah, Doon ba? Di doon.
You gotta lick it before we kick it.
Morning, Oslo. Dalam campurado.
Siya pa naman yung nakatining ng tower. Matapos yung matawa.
Mas malaki daw yun. My friends all sitting laughing, but I just keep on knocking. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun. Whoa, lie in the sun.
Gusto ng sebe yan.
So hi guys, ito na ang day 1 ng day 10-day survival in the ocean.
Les yeux fermés, première étoile, couché sous la lune, es-tu là? Monde silencieux, grands yeux violets, elle attend le lever
Pwede naman pala yung kita.
Totoo ba yun? Ay, totoo pala. Totoo pala yung horse. Horsey. Chubby!
And I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I
Basura pa. Ano yan?
Ewan ko. Google nyo muna, baka mamaya poisonous pala to.
Happy birthday to you!
Yay! Good morning. The fish that we caught last night
May time
was
silang kainin.
eaten and killed by the cats here. Sad.
From the golden dunes of Bulgaria, have you followed when you for the ride? I know that these days have been messing with you like a countless 3,000 girl. And I know the right times when you're feeling surrounded, but I think you should know by now. From the golden dunes of Bulgaria, I've been cold Himalaya, had to follow you for the ride. From the blinding lights of Chicago.
Don't leave me behind here. I've just arrived. I've been waiting for someone to take me away, far away.
I'll take my time.
Hindi alam gagawin.
This guy's already sleeping.
For now it's fine. Waste of our time out where the stars forget to shine.